When it comes to your smile, nothing less than the most trusted dentist will do. Okay, real talk. Choosing the wrong dentist can completely mess up your experience. I'm talking painful procedures that shouldn't hurt, hidden fees that blindside you, and long-term damage that's going to cost you thousands to fix. This is exactly why I respect what InTheGTA.com is doing. They've done the research for us, reviewed reputations, checked credentials, and put together this curated list of the most trusted dental clinics across the Greater Toronto area. Here's what separates a truly trusted dentist from the rest. They offer personalized preventive care, advanced imaging that catches problems early, and modern pain-free treatments. They take time to explain your options and make you feel heard as a person, not just another appointment. If your current dentist doesn't provide this level of care, it's honestly time to switch. Your health and peace of mind are way too important to settle for less. Check out InTheGTA.com for their curated list of the GTA's best and most trusted dental professionals, because your smile deserves nothing less than the best.